Joan. I'm executive chef of the Chatrium residence at home. This dish is one of my favorite Thai dishes. That is the pork, the muyang, pork muyang. Basically, it's a marinade pork grill with an nam jim jiao. But today we will make a little bit in a different way. We will make it in my own way. The first thing that we will start to prepare is the garnish. We have the potatoes. We have here some baby potatoes. We will prepare like Hasselback potatoes. Basically, we take the potatoes and we will make some cuts, but not cutting completely. And after we prepare the potatoes, we will take olive oil. Quite a lot, don't worry. Then we will put the peppercorns. Then the pink peppercorns. I put quite a lot as well. Then we have the garlic. The garlic, what I do is I smash because it will gives all the flavor. We put some of the rosemary on the potatoes. And as well some dry chili. We will put as well some salt and pepper. Now we finish, a little bit more of olive oil, and then we can start to cook. We're gonna start to cook the potatoes. This is about half an hour, a little bit more. Then for this dish we need to prepare the marinade for our pork. Then Panda will prepare for us. What we need for the marinade is garlic. The garlic we will put here coriander roots, fresh ginger, and we need the sugar, the palm sugar. You need to work like 3-4 minutes, and after we will go with the liquids for our marinade. Soy sauce, with the oyster sauce, and with the fish sauce as well. Alright, we have already our pork ready and clean, and then Panda will mix the pork with the marinade. When we prepare this kind of marinade, it's nice if we can keep the pork in the chiller and with the marinade for at least 12 hours. If it's 24 hours, even better. And now is the time to start preparing our sauce. This sauce is a fusion sauce. We don't prepare today the nam jim jiao. That is the classic, the traditional sauce for this dish. This one we call Thai chimichurri. Chimichurri is a sauce that is originally from South America, from Argentina. Here we have the shallot that Panda will put in our robot. If you don't have this robot at home, you can use easily the blender, the normal blender. It's no problem. Or even you can chop with a knife. We have the Thai basil leaf. Then we have the mint leaf, the coriander leaf, Thai chili, green chili. We can put as much as we want. We have the lemon juice. We have the ginger, garlic, fish sauce, lemongrass, and we will put as well the olive oil. When we have all the products, we will put a little bit of salt and pepper, white pepper, and we will blend. After blend the sauce, what we do is we take the olive oil and we cover the mix of the herbs with olive oil, and our sauce is ready. We can start to grill our pork. In this case it's Iberico pork. We will cook medium rare. If it's Thai pork, we can cook more in the medium well done size, but this pork is top quality and we can keep it medium rare. When our pork is cooked, we will cut. That's perfect. Now we will start to make the plating. We will put a little bit of Maldon salt, sea salt. And we will finish with our sauce, the chimichurri sauce, Thai chimichurri sauce. That's a fantastic dish for share with the family. Hope you like, hope you enjoy.